To set up mobile hotspot for Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to look for the connections, go to the mobile hotspot and tethering, then there's the mobile hotspot right here that you can activate or deactivate with the switch. Then we can click on it to adjust these settings. First of all, you can change the name for your network. Then there's a password, so you can change between different passwords or just see your hotspot password right here. And finally below there's a slider that allows you to change the compatibility mode between 2.4, 2.4 and 5, and 5, and finally 6G networks. It changes basically how fast your network will be, but at the same time, the higher you go, the less compatible your hotspot will be with other devices. So if you want to share your network with a phone, make sure that it does support that network type, for example 5G or 6G, which is kind of rare. And then there's a security options. If you click on them, you'll be able to remove the password from your network. If you go for enhanced open, you will remove a password from your hotspot. That means somebody will be able to connect just by clicking on your network. Then in advanced you can adjust settings like MAC address type, turn off when no device is connected for a certain amount of time. Then there's hidden networks that you can activate or deactivate, support Wi-Fi 6 standard that you can activate or deactivate, protected management frames, power saving mode, and Wi-Fi sharing. Finally, if we hit the save button, our hotspot will be set up. There's also auto hotspot right here, which automatically connects your Samsung devices with that hotspot if they are logged into the same account or people that are in your Samsung family group. Then there's prioritize real-time traffic, so it will prioritize real-time network traffic such as games and video calls that are sensitive to lag. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.